We finally made it to Myrtle Beach. Alright guys, so we at the boardwalk. What is up, royalty gang? Stay rocking with me for today's adventure, which is going to Myrtle Beach. I have to repack and everything. Let me see. I'm finna see what time it is. It is currently 7:47, the day before, which is August 3rd, Thursday. And yeah, we're about to pack. So this is how the bag looking now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So as you guys can see, I finished packing now. So I still have to finish packing everything once my mom gets home from work, because she have to add a little bit more stuff. But I'm pretty much done packing for the most part. I'm just ready to go on this trip now. Take my shower and stuff later on, and then we gonna begin this adventure. Okay, we finna go to Myrtle Beach. We finna tee up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. This is like a little vlog. This is not what's like mainly on my channel, but it's a little vlog because I want to vlog Myrtle Beach for you guys. And of course there's going to be tons of pranks. I have so many prank ideas. Ooh, so many prank ideas, man. But yeah, I'm finna, let me take this off the thing and we can do this vlog the right way. So, but peep this lighting, y'all. I'm looking that way. Hi guys, so we're about to get in the Uber and go to the airport. Let me see. But oh my gosh, it's the Uber. Why the Uber here? The Uber here, it is 6:08. We're finna go to the airport. We're finna go to Midway in Chicago, and we're about to catch this flight. See, I got my luggage here, and we all Gucci, man. I'm gonna catch up with you guys when we get to the airport, because I gotta put this in Uber. He's out. You said what?
Often when I offer,
well, hold on. You didn't even offer. You just should have said, hi, guys. Did you need help with the luggage? Hello.
Well, you know what? I will make sure I help you get it out.
You damn straight, because I'm going to curse you out. Damn straight. You got me upset already. I was like, wait a minute. What the guy? He ain't even help us with the luggage. What the hell?
Not by intention. I'm like,
no, it's just like, man. I'm like, wait a minute here. He said, oh, usually be rejected. No, that's a big little luggage there, you know.
I saw how small it was.
Did you? No, he gonna say how small. He didn't even say, hi guys. He sat in the car and said, shit, I'm gonna let them do that stuff. Now wait a minute now. Now wait a minute, sir.
I'm waiting.
He gonna sit in the car and wait and see us struggling with the luggage, then they say nothing. So I had to say something about that. Now wait a minute. Now.
I understand.
Now wait, I come. Okay, so this whole trip has been so funny. Like it started. Nobody want to take no picture of you, girl. What you thought? Anyways, it started from last night. So much happened last night. It was so hilarious. And then the Uber driver, he was really nice. Then we got in here. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Oh, my bad. My bad. But we got, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we got up in there and she thought we were sisters. finna go to Myrtle Beach, y'all. We're about to board right now. Look, y'all, we're gonna make it there. We're departing at 12:30. What? It's the 12:30. We can't be bored. Well, I guess. Okay, we're finna board now, so. Why are you looking like that?
Sleepy, girl.
Oh. Naked. But look at my nails, y'all. We finna go to Myrtle Beach. Tee up. My auntie finna meet us there. So yeah, I cannot wait. It's on the board. It's gonna be lit. Cannot wait. Look at my shades on because I'm too cool for school. Ain't that right? Alright, y'all. I know y'all see my little crooked tooth right there. Don't worry about that. Don't look at that. Just look at my face, my beautiful face. Not the crooked tooth.
Stop doing it.
What? What? I don't know if y'all can see, but they're boarding now. Let go. Let go. Finna go to Myrtle Beach. Finna go to Myrtle Beach. Finna go to Myrtle Beach. Myrtle Beach.
Thank you.
Let go. Let go. Finally made it to Myrtle Beach. We finally made it to Myrtle Beach.
It is hot. Yeah, you see how the humidity? It's stuffy. Hello, back for me. Thanks.
We finally made it to Myrtle Beach. How was your flight? Did you take a nap? It stank. It does. We came from high class stuff. What you say, mommy?
High class. I had to go to the bathroom.
What's up, guys? So we finally made it to Myrtle Beach. We are outside one of my TT and my cousins to pick me and my Madre up, and we finna have a good time. It is so hot out here, bro. It's too hot. Even though it's like 74, but like the humidity is just like all up on my melanin, and it's just too much for my melanin right now. So I think I'm finna take off this little jacket because it's too hot for all this. Even though I'm styling and profiling, melanin on glam, melanin on killer, okay? But we finna have a good time. Hopefully I can vlog a lot of more things today. Just watch the whole video because it's gonna be nice. I'm finna show y'all this how it's looking right now. Bam, this is just ooh, wrong way. It's just we waiting on my TT, and it's just like the little area right here that we waiting at. Ooh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to get on that beach. Our hotel is right on the beach, literally. Like the view, the view is so beautiful. My cousin, she took a picture of me yesterday, and I was so jealous that I wasn't here, but now we is here. We here now, bro. We here, so we finna have a good old time. We finna kick it. I'm not finna sleep. Sleep for what? But why are we sleeping for? You know what I'm saying? So we finna have a good time. I'm finna try to do some pranks or whatever. But I don't take no picture. I want to take a picture on the beach. You gotta save for the beach. But oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay. But man, it's hot. I'm finna take off this jacket. I'm finna take it off right now. Just stay like that. Okay, whatever. Struggling. I want to do that. Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, I don't really have anything. Right, it's taking all day. It's gonna be
them coming around there with a little mouth off. Look. The little gray car right there.
maybe. But as you guys can see, I don't really have one nothing spectacular. I'm finna go to the hotel so I can change my clothes. I'm finna have a good old time, man. I cannot wait.
They say a Camry. She in a Camry.
Alright.
It looks like her over there though. Looks like, I don't know.
How a Camry look? I haven't been in one of those in a while. What kind of car is it? Like a Chevy?
Toyota Camry.
Oh, a Toyota.
Camry. Like that man had.
Okay. Oh, baby. Let me tell you what time it is. We had a overlay in Detroit, so that's why we're here at. It's 2:42 right now. Look. Dang. So dim. Ooh. There you go. There you go. Boo it, boo. Alright, y'all. Royalty gang, stay watching this video because it's gonna be lit. Stay with me for this little adventure because it's gonna be a bomb adventure in Myrtle Beach. I mean, let it go, sis, if you don't want me to vlog no more. And I won't vlog, I'm just enjoying my time. But if you do, say, keep it coming, sus. Okay? Don't be screenshotting me, y'all, either. Anyways, say keep it coming. I feel like I'm doing a really good job. I feel like I'm way more comfortable with these shades on. These shades make me feel real nice. But if I didn't have these shades on, I still would be looking okay. But I mean, the shades make me look nice. Oh, baby. Look at that melanin popping, baby. Let me put these shades back on because it is too bright.
I like them.
Mommy, that is not no Toyota.
Uh-oh, boy. Why is he on? You got a damn knife. Get your ass off the floor. You got a knife and shit for him. Mom! He is crazy like Chuck. You should see him. He looks crazy. Look. On the floor with a knife.
What's up, look good? He told me to go outside. So he started hacking around the house. Yeah, a knife from the I'm finna show you.
No.
It was like a bunch of videos on Twitter. That was so funny.
You recording something? You over there. Good news, how they to get in that bathroom now.
Oh, there we go. It was good. See, I knew you was recording. Let me see if you actually recording because you be tweaking. Actually recording? Okay. Yeah, look at my outfit though. That little lame little prank. Look at my outfit. It's pretty nice. It's an oh, that's so zoomed in. Look at that. It's a nice.
I needed some blood
little
to go in.
skirt.
I just
Don't
needed
be like this. Look, take the pictures like
I just needed some blood to make it go.
You can do ketchup and hot sauce.
Should have had some all black. That's okay.
Change my outfit real quick. We finna go to the boardwalk. He thought he could get us with this little prank or whatever. It's so dark. Right, she's trying to charge $10.
I was thinking about getting some people.
Alright, bye y'all. Alright guys, so we at the boardwalk. Yep. Look, I don't know if y'all can see that far, but Y'all know that thing on Facebook where the people, it's called the slingshot. The slingshot over there. They be passing out and stuff. It's over there. Wait. Wait, it's right there. Yeah. Yeah, I just, oh wait, right there. And then we got zip lining right there. What?
Right there, the sling.
That little ugly little thing.
Hey, that's the slingshot. What your little chain?
What little chain?
That's your daddy bought you.
I don't know.
You lost. I found a chain in that room in the back.
For real?
Yours?
I don't know. We got it
In your room.
Probably. Cause I don't know where I put it. Cause
You look very naked right here.
I do, don't I? There go the zip lining right there.
I don't think I can take that shot. That's kind of like a far.
I think zip line would be nice.
No, I'm not doing it with my stomach.
So when you get off there, what the end?
That look better than
Look at
that.
that. Look.
That ain't shit. You over a brick.
Wait, no, I thought it was from right there to right there.
That's 2
I'm not
bushes.
doing it. I'm
1, 2, 3.
That's a mile.
That's 3 bushes. Ain't no damn mile. That's 2 blocks.
I ain't doing it.
Not even a block.
It don't look bad.
I do that shit. You lift your foot up.
I gotta be prepared with my brain.
All you gotta do is like push off, then you no turning back. You know what I'm saying?
But you gotta walk all the way to the front.
That's long.
That ain't like Vegas, baby. Well, Vegas kind of like a halfway.
But yeah, guys, we going back to the hotel so I can change. And then we are on the boardwalk. What?
It got boring. I mean,
Oh my gosh.
I only did it 3 times because I was out of town.
Oh yeah.
They're gonna rip it, believe it or not.
I'm about to.
Oh, so dark.
Like your shit.
Oh no, it's
She did
not.
like 12. I seen her snapping.
All right, y'all. So we on a.
Yeah, she did a lot of you, baby.
It looks so dark when I go on, guys. Okay, we on the boardwalk, y'all. We just took like a whole bunch of pictures, man. I look so beautiful. But we on the boardwalk. Look.
Trying to get that ocean view. That ocean drop is that.
She taking a little picture or whatever. But yeah, we just walking around. We just took a lot of pictures and stuff.
I got me
'Cause,
one
you
in
know,
the backdrop.
We're cutesy or whatever. And yeah, so we're finna just chill and walk around. I think we're going to the Ferris wheel right now. So Wait, does it look? Is it dark? Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Why is it so dark? Dang.
Y'all, what time did we try? Okay. What time did we hit the water?
Oh, there we go. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, but as I said, we are walking around. We took a lot of pictures. We're just walking around right now. We're gonna go to the Ferris wheel. Look, y'all. She looks
on this
so nice.
That's what I want to accomplish out with you.
Turn it down now.
Kind of bad for him.
I know, right? He can't even enjoy himself like that. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up with y'all later.